Good right. Roppongi is like a different country, man. The man them slow, everything's still open over here. Alright people, so yeah, COVID free, I think. So I have a booking today in Roppongi. We're gonna go there. And yeah, I gotta deal with it. Roppongi, mad, Pabanda. Oh, it's white party. I should have done. You watch the video? Please watch it. Alright, cool. Right now, Matt's up, DJ going, I get some drinks. Alright, so party keep and yeah, police came and we can see we're going with this up. The police over there, so police over there. So yeah, so apparently there's some altercation inside the club with the DJ them and the staff. Them call the police and them outside they saw the beer right on my side, beer police. You know what I mean? So, your Roppongi is just like a totally different country, my side. That might try to do. I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna try, get the pizza. See what's going on with my side, isn't it? It's a party done, and we have got Ibex. Ibex is the flex right now. She's going to her yard very aggressively. But through me leave a bush. I protect my time and go, Bumba, we're hungry. What is to eat? If you're here, you have to have kebabs. Yeah, if you have a kebab, you buy kuno kitana. Bad man, me no friend chicken. If you come to Roppongi, you have to have a kebab. It is a rite of passage. You have to have it. If you don't have it, then it doesn't make sense. There's a beef I have him, beef with spicy beef. Everything is not nice. So I have to eat over the chicken, like a waste man. Chicken. One thing about Roppongi people, for me like no corona there Roppongi because everything I keep same way, alcohol I serve. It's like a whole different country to Japan. There are people out in the street, party. I'm going to go Ibex now. I go my yard. Because it's my birthday. Something. Say, hi, come back. Okay people, I am late. I was supposed to be up in Tokyo to help my friend Tammy set up for her birthday. She's gonna kick my ass. She's gonna kill me. So yeah, you know, turtleneck. Yeah, we got trouble. I don't even know if I can get any transportation to get there. Plus remember I live in the boonies, so I have to get back home and get the bus early. So see you in a bit guys, Tokyo run. Here looking at the line, there's a line for pan. A line for bread people. Matcha and bread. What a blood fair Japan and go on with. People up here full up a line up to buy bread and bread slice. Like, are you serious though? People sell up a slice of bread, brother? Nah, I'm in Shinagawa station, right? I will try if I'm go. I'm still. Alright, so this is the first time actually at the station, Otsuka. It looks a bit bougie. Yeah, there's so many stations on the line that like I've never really been to. So I'm going to Tammy's birthday movie night shindig padig. So Alright, so out here we'll come back. They came for Don Quijote run. You know, homegirl out here. Today's out. Ooh, Tammy out here, birthday girl hand. She out here looking like a whole meal. For those who are in that sort of thing. Wow. Popcorn.
Are we doing this?
Snacks.
Are we doing this? Yeah. Right. Don't do it a bit.
And wait, let's just do this.
I think there's one popcorn in the microwave.
Well, let me tell you about Tammy. See, Tammy's about the immersive experience, guys. Me never comes to this yet in my life. Marshmallow movie theater, pretzels, sweet popcorn, gummy. Oh, yeah, you have to have these. Haribo. And then these are the treats here that you only can get in Japan because we're all about the experience. The theme is the Met Gala American pastime. Right there, Tammy. Well, you have to get the lights in. There's no lighting. Come on! Happy anniversary! What is I think I got the wrong green. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tammy. Happy birthday to you.
No, not a black people version. Happy
Birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Hey,
I'm sorry.
Look at the flick of the wrist.
So I'm not gonna blow my.
Look at the flick of the wrist. Look at the flick of the wrist. Lighter, fire up your lighter.
Yay!
So, yeah. So what are we doing with this?
You're supposed to light it.
Wow! Wow! We out here with things that up. Fire up your lighter.
One lighter, we can light everybody at the same time. So I forgot about y'all.
Put your lighters up.
Alright, so can everybody stand up?
Why didn't I get one?
Anybody want one?
We're all black,
What is? What? So yeah. Oh, slap that. Wow.
Fire's up.
Tommy, it has
Where's
been
the video?
several
Who's
months.
taking video?
We'll light up the fire for the bomb and place.
we turned it off. Yours is too much. You're just covering it. You're like you took
Too much.
over.
I think we have to do that.
But alright, you know what? It's not work out. Hey,
You got one?
Oh, fire up there.
Fire department's gonna be like.
It's falling on the table.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Oh, shit is hard. Yeah, be careful, guys. Don't break anything. Don't burn anything. Don't burn it.
Whoa! Whoa! We don't know. Look how we are burn a fire, pan a food and pan a bed. Cabarina, human crown. Look at it. Lit. Every day we lit. Every day we lit. Something music song we play and sing. Every day we lit. Hey, yo, alright, we out here. It's Tammy's birthday thingamajiggy, and black people, and all people, and Caribbean, Trinidad, big up in themselves, over here with St. Lucia, BVI, all that, Jamaican, bad man thing, Cameroon, America, Japan, Zimbabwe, India, Malaysia, UK, we have everybody! Woo! I swear they will call the police on us right now.
Oh my goodness. Let's just be careful with these sparks, please.
Just don't get it on the rug. Don't get it on the rug, guys.
No.
It's gone.
And we're probably gonna end up using these.
Oh, I need a picture of my face.
In your mouth, Tammy. Nice. Yeah, my hero. Oh, what's our robot?
You're not drinking, alright?
Rita, you put it in your mouth. You drink, Rita. Woo! Champagne for it.
Hey, what?
Put it in your mouth. She can't do it.
Wait.
He was like, get that. Give me that ball. Give me that ball.
Okay, do it. Yeah.
Let's get it. Do it in her mouth. Oh, shit.
3, 2, 1,
Everybody put it in the bath. Hey, we out here real lit. I'm on the pump on the time for the chick.
You guys, come on.